Oh wow, I look like the little rat from Kim Possible.
Hey, salame, babak no papier, salame, zinzalbim, salame, hey. Hey.
Hi guys, my name is Indigo and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. As you guys can see, my hair looks absolutely stunning right now because we are going to be doing drag again. Flashbacks. So that is what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to try and make it a little bit more subtle than the last one, which is hilarious because the original recreation that I did, everybody was saying that it was not drag. Not every single drag queen looks like Trixie Mattel or Kim Chi. Before we start off this video, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and let's get started. Okay, so first things first, we're going to swab our eyebrows with rubbing alcohol, and this makes me cringe because don't put isopropyl alcohol on your face, like ever. But in this instance, unfortunately, we do have to. Yes! For preparation of skin prior to an injection. That is exactly what we're doing today. Okay, and the reason you want to do this is because you know all those oils that prevent you from aging and protect your skin? Yeah, we're gonna get rid of those. I love feeling my skin raw. Also, I would do the sides as well. A lot of drag queens do. However, I'm not a drag queen, and the wig that I am going to use, it's gonna cover that. So I'm just gonna take the easy way out. I like drag visually, but I don't like doing it. It is way too much. Anyways, we're gonna let these dry. Next, we're gonna grab our little Elmer's glue. I recommend doing one brow at a time, because you know what? Don't even listen to me because I flopped my eyebrows on a show, so okay, so you're gonna wanna start backwards because you wanna fill in all that negative space that's inside of your eyebrows, which you're gonna miss if you don't do this part first. Or you know, you could just shave your eyebrows. That could really help a lot of time as well. And we're just gonna like push that upwards. Don't worry y'all, I'm gonna start talking about different things. It's just that this part is really tedious and I really don't like it. Y'all see how flat that is on my brow bone? That's how you need it to be. And now, back to the who had a lot to say about me on the show. Blow dryer, what's good? Anyways, we're going to use this to dry this up. I'm gonna skip this because this is so boring. Oh my god, no. It's doing the same thing I did on the show. Stop. Yeah, then you're gonna use some setting powder, you're just gonna pat that away. So our goal today is kind of like a Kylie Jenner, kind of like Nikita Dragon type like Instagram baddie aesthetic. I'll show you guys a little wig right here. Let's not play. Anyways, I got a cute outfit that I'm gonna put on and everything, so I'm really excited to put that on. Not really, but I kind of am at the same time. But irregardless, you're gonna do this like 3 to 4 times again. If it sounds like a lot, that's because it is, but don't worry, I'm gonna spare you guys the torture. I'm gonna come back with both of my brows done and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back. Now I have my eyebrows fully covered, you know, gone, evaporated, extinguished. Also, I put on a little leg garter around my neck. Yes, this is a leg garter, but we're making do with what we have. So now we're gonna do our foundation. So I've never really like been into like the whole like drag scene like that. Like it's cute, but like it's not really for me. Maybe when I was like 13, 14, I did watch a couple seasons of RuPaul's Drag Race. I loved Pheromone, I loved Plastique Tiara. Kimora Black is cute, Gia Gunn is cute. But like, did I ever go to a drag show? No. Well, actually I did go to one for my dad's birthday when I was like 8. But like I was shook because I didn't know that there was like people who would like dressing up as women and just going up on stage and having fun and whatnot. So like in there, I was like what is going on in here? Like I cannot believe. But the burger was so good. That wasn't Hamburger Mary's. It was Kiss. If you guys are ever like in South Florida, I think it's like Miami Kiss. So like I've never really like been that much into it. Like I know a couple of like the little like jokes and whatnot, but like I've never like fully integrated myself into that type of culture and stuff. I'm just gonna do whatever I wanna do. There is like no specific type of thing that like that's drag and that's not drag. That's not true, but if you say it's drag, it's probably drag. And at the end of the day, I'm gonna look good. Ooh, I'm gonna look good. Now we're currently like a blank canvas. I look so good. I kind of look Schmeagol from the Lord of the Rings. Ooh, that was good. Dang, my eyes look so tiny right now. We're about to fix that, don't worry. And y'all already know I got that Dragon Beauty transformation powder ready. We're about to do some like real life Facetune right here in a second. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you know what? Actually, I'm gonna leave it in the links down below because I actually never have linked that product. I don't know why. Basically, it's Nikita Dragon's little brightening product, but like, dude, it is really good. And at first I only use it on camera, but like now I just started using it in person, and quite frankly I have no issues with it. I really like it. And this is just like my own free will, by the way. Like, I'm not being held captive or at gunpoint saying this. I kind of look like Bowsette right now. Wait, is that PG-13? Oh my god, I don't know if I can show that. I have watched a lot of the little RuPaul's Drag Race elimination videos. Like, you know when they get eliminated and then they start telling you like how they do their makeup and whatnot? Yeah, okay, so I do know like a little bit of like the tricks and stuff. I'm not a professional, as you guys obviously know. When it comes to that, you definitely do want to like bake your face because you kind of do want like that cast, because this is gonna help you kind of like sculpt the realness that you want. Also, y'all, I'm so sorry, my nails have looked so ugly in my recent videos. It's because I've been giving them a break, and I want to give them a break before I do them again. And I am officially gonna start wearing acrylics and gels because natural nails, they were cute and they were a flex, but they scare me. They really do. I'm gonna let this simmer on my face for 2 hours and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now it is the next day and I wiped off the setting powder, and now I'm gonna draw my brows. Can I just like not address this? That's skinny brow, oh my god. Nobody can come for me for saying that's my same exact brow placement because my brow is all the way down here. Okay, so disclaimer, I don't draw my brows on. The first time I drew them on ever in my life was on Insta Influencer. We all know how that went. Oh my god, it looks like I got fleas. I'm just gonna try and fill this in with warmth first before I do anything, because a lot of people were saying that my brows were a little bit gray in the first attempt, which they were. So we're gonna try and fix that this time. I'm not gonna try and do too much with the brows. All I am gonna do is I'm gonna go for a darker brow because the roots of the wig, I'm looking at the wig right now, they're pretty dark, so I'm gonna make them pretty dark. All right, the brows are just gonna be gray. What can I say? I tried. It's just not gonna work, so I'm not gonna fight with them. Anyways, I'm gonna go into my Hoola bronzer and I'm just gonna start bronzing my face. Oh, I think that was a lot. I literally look like a jelly bean right now. Okay, so I just like contoured my nose off the camera because that was gonna be a whole process in itself. And now I'm going to do my blush. I'm gonna be using the Blush Trio palette. This just keeps on falling out. I don't use these shades, but anyways, I am going to use the shade Creator, the only shade left. I'm actually going to blush around here this time. Just something that I don't normally do, but I want to do it today. That was fast. So now I'm going to do my highlight. This is kind of important for the nose especially, so we better get this right, y'all. Got one shot at this. Yeah. Also, this video is being posted 2 days before my birthday, and I literally can't do anything for my birthday. But I mean, honestly, I'm pretty sure that's everybody this year, so whatever. Next, I'm gonna do my eyes, and now for my eyes, oh my gosh, dude. This is like where the whole controversy comes in. A lot of people, whenever they're doing drag, they really like to brighten things up and open them up and make them really exaggerated and make like these weird like shapes and stuff. I'm not really a fan of that. I don't really know. I don't know. I just don't really feel like it. I feel like I look pretty feminine as is already. And we're just gonna go ahead and try to put a nice little kind of pastel pink on my eyes. Just wanna do one shade because I am wearing this nice, cute little pastel pink outfit. Get into it. I've worn this a couple times on this channel. You know, I kind of just want it to be like very simple because like the outfit is really extra, so the makeup is going to be a little bit more subtle, a little bit more cute. We're going to go ahead and try using this pastel pink shade from this Makeup Revolution palette. So as for the top of my eye, that is literally all we're doing. But for the bottom of the eyeshadow, I am actually going to use a couple of browns and like blacks, just kind of like make everything just a little bit more doughy-eyed. I'm going to go ahead and use my Hoola bronzer, just kind of like, I guess, prep it up. Next, we're going to use the Benefit They're Real mascara, specifically because I want a more dramatic look because it still is drag. I'm going to go ahead and use my Lily Lashes in the shade Miami. Hopefully it'll just like perk things back up. Okay, so I went ahead and I did a little bit of a wing, and I'm going to go ahead and do this on my other eye, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so now we do have both our top and bottom lashes on. I'm going to overline my lips. I know, right? I remember saying that you shouldn't do that. I forgot when, but I said not to. But here I am doing it. I'm gonna be using Gerard Cosmetics in the shade Luna. I actually really do like this shade. I have not stopped using it since I got this pencil. My lips look gigantic. I'm gonna be using the Taunt Liquid Lip by Morphe. You guys can use code GLAMFAM926 for $5 off every purchase above $10. I'm gonna be focusing that around the center of my lips. Y'all, I look like a famale. I look like tamale. It's like a piece of glitter stuck in my contact lens. Oh my god, kill me. Kill me now. And then lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Dragon Beauty Transformation Powder. I am going to be doing a lot of touch-ups when it comes to this because this is like what really sculpts the face. I mean, we've already done a lot of sculpting, I'll tell you that. Okay, and I'm actually going to apply my wig on camera. Oh my god, yeah, I never do that. Alrighty hoes, so this is the wig. Say hi. I'm gonna have to try and get the part done right. Oh! Ooh, the armpit hair with this mug. Oh my god, I look like a GTA character. So, Trippin' and Shanae, this thing going on sale. Hey, what y'all know about this? Nothing. Ooh, dang. I look like the Mona Lisa. Like, I don't know about this little baby hair situation though. How do I fix that? I don't like it. Let me fix that. No, bring back the baby hairs. Hold on, let me comb this. The contrast from my hair to the background just really makes this so much better. Me, I hate drag. Me, when I'm in it. Hey, tell them, y'all. This is so funny. Oh my gosh. I really do not look like myself. I mean, I don't know. This is the final look. I was gonna actually add some nails. I don't really feel like it. I don't know. I think it's just way too late. Y'all, what do you guys think? I actually really like the way this came out. Let's not play. Come on now. I look... Oh my god, I'm sorry guys. The hair is just like really getting in my mouth 24/7. One thing I will say is that this right here is kind of bothering me. But at the same time, like I said before, I am lazy. So I'm not gonna go ahead and style this wig any more than it already is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Did you guys like the transformation? Yes or no? Let me know. Let me know if this is drag or not. I have time to drag people today in the comments down below. No, I'm just kidding. I don't do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like my art, if you guys like my energy, please like, comment, and subscribe. And follow my Instagram down below if you don't already. And I will see you guys. Oh, also, I forgot. The links in the description now below are officially affiliate links. You guys can now go on any of my videos from the past. And if you guys do want to support me, you guys can click on any of the products that you do want and try to buy it from that affiliate link. And I do get a commission off of that. So if you guys want to do that, that is an option right there. And I also just want to disclose with you guys that those are affiliate links from now on. I'm still going to put them in the description below, but I just want to be really open about that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the future. Bye-bye.